Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am bumping myself up from just working on plain old small engines. I've only made one video of doing that, but I've worked on many others. So today I got a pretty good video for you guys to watch. So I guess let's get right into it. So I got myself a tripod, well, a pretty cheap one, but I mean it does the job. So you'll be able to see. Make sure you're able to see. Okay. So if you're wondering what you're looking at, you are looking at a V8 overhead valve, 318, I believe. This has been sitting for many years. Probably won't be able to get it running because it has a busted oil pan and just been sitting upside down for many years. That's been sitting here. So I'm just gonna mess with it, tinker with it. I'm gonna take you guys along on my journey. So first, I got a broom with me. I'm going to kind of clean this off a bit. It's dusty. You know what I mean. It's really dirty, so you want to clean it off. Got a whole bunch of gunk on here, a bunch of hair. It's getting on top of the engine. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to get this thing running. It doesn't have a starter, so won't have any luck with that. So, but anyway, this, don't know what it came off from. My grandpa. This is something for my grandpa. Been sitting out in the woods for a long time, and I mean a long time. Like I said, probably 40-some years. We just took. Don't want that sticking up. It was on a frame and stuff, so as you can see. In this video, I will probably take off the valve covers, head covers, whatever you guys want to call it. I call them head covers. I'm just gonna clean out the inside, kind of just clean off it in general. I mean, it's in a really rough shape. There is not very much hope of getting this running, obviously, but I'll show you guys a little bit more of it. So you can see it doesn't have an intake. I'm assuming this had around probably about a 2-barrel carburetor on it. Assuming you can see all the valves. Inside there, it's in pretty rough shape, as you can see. No starter, like I said before. Starter is not on here, and it's locked up tight. Yeah, it's locked up. I brought a lot of tools. I came prepared. I brought a lot. I have tools in a bag. I have a very big meant to get some leverage, and I have a whole bunch of sockets, big sockets, and little ones, and I have an adjustable, and I have much more than that. But anyway, I think I'm going to get you guys a better angle, more like here. So I'm gonna pause it right here. Then I'm gonna I'll get you guys back on when I am got you guys propped up. All right, I'm back. I got you guys situated now. So all right. So first of all, I am going to clean this thing up. So I just got this. I will replay the video when I get this a little bit more cleaned up. So I will have you guys on then. One head covered clean. Alright, both of my valve head covers are pretty clean now. They're as clean as I'm going to really get them for a good bit. So now I'm going to take them off. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to do that and clean around the bolts, the head cover bolts. And yes, I know some of you people might be thinking, Lucas, they're getting the stuff into the intake holes, and really, it doesn't really matter almost at this point because it ain't like I'm gonna get it running. I'm just doing this just to have fun, so. And take you guys on my adventure with me, so yeah, that's really what I'm doing. And no, I do not have WD-40, nor no PD blaster, nothing like that. So yeah, I might not get some of these bolts off, but I need to. I want to get one of these head covers off. So I'll make a couple videos to this, and I'll make Project V8. So okay, I got a couple head bolts uncovered. Yeah, so it appears that there's only 4 head cover bolts on this one, so that'll be fairly easy. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm getting bit by lots of mosquitoes out here. But that ain't gonna stop me none. Get a drink every now and then. You know what I love about engines? And every single engine has a story to it. And that story can be anything from the last time it was ran, what position the pistons are in, what position your valves are in. If one's open, the camshaft, you know, that stuff tells a story. And that stuff is truly just cool. And it just kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just kind of nice, cool. The only real question is that will I be able to get these rusty bolts off? Never mind, I'm able to with ease. Oh, please tell me I didn't just take you. Please tell me I didn't just do what I think I just did. Yeah? Oh, thank the Lord. Oh, that's pretty clean. So, one head nut bolt down. 3 more to go. Now just 2 more to go. For at least this head cover. Alright. Second one down. It's the bottom 2. Or the top and bottom 2. This side. This side isn't looking so good. Oh, you son of a gun. Alright. Soon to be with 1 to go. Oh. Not as clean, but that's alright. Alright. One more to go. I can't believe there's only 4 holding them on. And okay. That one broke really good. Broke really easily. Broke loose really easily. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm even on YouTube when I can't even speak. That needs to be a little bit more. Alright. All 4 of them are off. Now it's time to finally take off the head. Just for safe measures, I'm going to take off some of my gloves. Oh my god. Holy shoot. I need to grab my phone. Hang on. I'm not the only one that's seeing this, right? Holy crap. Oh, okay. I'm gonna pause the video. I'll get you back on when I clean that up, okay? Alright, bye. Alright guys, I'm back. I cleaned it up. And I cleaned it up pretty good, okay? So you can see cleaned it up alright. And I'll check the rockers. That one, no movement. First, one, no movement. 2, there's some movement. It's a little bit wiggly. Okay. It's a good sign that, 3, wiggly. It has some movement. 4, nothing. That's good. That's tight. 5, all movement. 6, a little bit of movement, not that much though. 7, ooh. 7's a little bit wiggly. 8, solid, good. All right, well, by the way, I tested them just a second ago. They do go in, and they come out. I made sure. So, that's them. So, these are getting bit up by mosquitoes badly. Going through my shirt. Alright, well, I got that side. They are itching like crazy. But, that don't matter to me. So, alright, now I'm going to take off the yellow head cover. First, I need to clean around the bolts. Mosquitoes are getting me pretty good. I can't even lie. I'm just cleaning around them just a lot where I'm able to get onto them with my wrench, so no big deal. Everything is doing good so far. So it's probably gonna be quite a long video. Gosh, I'm gonna have so many mosquito bites when I get home. Holy crap. Alright. Taking off the cover. Alright. First bolt coming loose. It's coming out too. Hey! There it is. Actually, the nut came out off this time. That's what was supposed to happen, but before it didn't go according to plan. This time the entire bolt's coming out. Oh. Stay with me, man. Can't even get onto that one. Alright, I need to clear out the other ones so they aren't got dirt, so they don't got dirt in them. Holy crap. Dude, this is absurd. I'm getting bit up like you wouldn't believe. Man, my back is so itchy. Holy crap. Alright. Holy crap. Feels good. Alright. Alright, that feels good. That's enough for now, though. So, alright, let's. Alright. One to go after this one. So basically two to go. Geez, what's wrong with this one? Alright. Got that off the nut. Oh, you son of a gun. You better come out. Okay. Phew. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, now it's time to pull off the head cover again. This is going to be the second one. And I'm going to put my crowbar back so I don't end up losing it. Yeah, I'm going to grab my hammer. I just got to hit it loose a little bit. Dang, it was coming right there. Okay. Alright. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I've been waiting for. For it to give me a little bit of trouble. Yeah, but nothing wrong with a little bit of trouble. Holy crap. There's a whole lot of some white substance in here. What the heck is that? I'll show you that. And it's been falling. Don't know what that is quite yet, but I might know when I open it up. There we go. Holy crap. It's the same on the other side that it was in the front. Or in the first one I did. And I'm getting bit up like crazy again. So, guys, I might end the video here. Okay? Okay. I am going to head home. And, yep, it's caked on there again, too. That's normal. So, anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, subscribe. I sound like some of them other YouTubers. But anyway, hope you like it. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.